And I'm in the Philippines. And I'm gonna eat a lot.
Nice.
It's nice.
Untol-untol. Yung untol-untol. Yung balot-balot.
Videohan mo ito ano, te. Ang itsura ng balot niya. Lapit pa, te. Sige pa.
Oh, it tastes.
Make sure you drink the juice.
Oh, put the asin. Asin is here.
Salt.
Very nice.
And then peel it. Then you make sure those hair, you can use it as a eyebrow lash, extension.
Eyelashes. Yeah, it's feel good.
Oh,
what's that?
Kala ko itlog. I-close up mo daw siya. Did you see that? There's a lot of hair. How many days pa?
17.
17 days?
That is 17 days.
Tagal mo naman kainin.
Ano, para trailing.
Jadi ako balot jadi. Jadi.
Ha?
Jadi kumakain ng balot.
Si?
Jadi.
Oh. Ambot mo
You
kumakain.
eat that, Cecil. It's good.
Eh parang di mo kami kumain ng balot sa Cebu. Hindi siguro. Kaya miski ako hindi man din.
It's good.
Ah, it
Tastes good?
like good. Tastes like good.
Really good.
Really good.
Ate, stop ate.
I like it.
Ate, stop na.
Tama na?
Stop.